trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Charts go up, charts go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q, go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high, candlestick red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest, go gangster simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by, golden games reaching sky. Every trade winning more, go gangster hear them roar. Gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high, NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q, go gangster always knew. Go gangster making gold, every grade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high, candlestick red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest, go gangster simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by, golden gains reaching sky. Every trade winning more, go gangster hear them roar. Market open, bells ring loud, go gangster draws a crowd. Live stream booms, money rolls, aiming for those trading gold. Candlestick red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest, go gangster simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by, golden gains reaching sky. Every trade winning more, go gangster hear them roar. Market open, bells ring loud, go gangster draws a crowd. Live stream booms, money rolls, aiming for those trading gold.
What's up? Good morning. How's everybody doing this morning? You ready to get started here? Let's do it. Let's make some money. Let's see here. See if we can make some money this morning. Let's look at the charts here. Let's see what we can find. I want to say that we're going lower. I want to say we're going lower, but we'll just wait and see. Wait and see what we can get here. Wonder if we bounce in this gap or if we just inverse it. Probably go fill in this opening. What's up, Josh? What's up? How's everybody's weekend? What's up, Abdu? What's going on? What's up? Everybody have a good weekend. I had a good weekend. Haha, Abdu. I need to, man. I need to. All right, let's see if we can get up here and get in a trade. I'd be willing to take this trade here if it gets up here. But the question is it going to come up this far? The question is it going to come up this far here? I would be targeting down here if it did. But I wonder if it makes it up this far is the question here. You guys want to see me trade the New York session? You guys want to see me trade the New York session? I may have to one day, but I work during New York session, so it's kind of tough. It's kind of tough. Abdu said, yes, sir. Man, dude, I hope we make it up this far. It's 324 here. I'm going to leave this here. See if we can make it up that far. For this, though, I'm really only going for... I need to go for a 1-to-1 at least. So let's see. Yes, sir, Mitch. I wonder if I should move this stop loss down, but I want to have it above this. I really want to have it above this high, but it's kind of far. I guess I could switch over to micros. Just leave it right here. This thing's pushing. Oh God! Oh gosh! Thing's pushing. I'm not in yet. All right, I'm in over here. See if this thing just pushes up now. Probably could have put it in here, man. This might have been a better gap here. Kind of just want to have it above that gap. See what happens here. Yeah, that's probably the gap there. I entered on an early gap. Here. Gosh. All right, let's dump it. Let's dump it down. Let's look at this 15-minute range, see what's going on. Come on, man. Dump it down. Oops. Really want this kind of right there. Come on, baby. Dump it down. Come on, baby. Give us that funded target here. Give us that funded target. Give us that funded target here. Give us that funded target here. Dump it down. What's up, Camille? What's up? Come on, baby. Dump it down here. And don't get scared. Don't get scared. Just dump it down for us. Just dump it down here for us. Just a little dumpy, a little dumpski, a little dumpy dump. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Dump it down. Come on. Dump this bad boy down. Yeah, baby. Come on. Give it to daddy. Give it to daddy here. Come on, baby. Dump that bad boy down. Give it to daddy. Dump it down. Come on, baby. Oh, come on. Don't you do that. Don't you do that. Dump it down here for daddy. Oh, you little dirty dog. You dirty, dirty dog. Don't want to dump that bad boy down. Come on, baby. Gosh, why you want to do this? Should have locked it in. Should have locked it in down here. What am I thinking? Ah, dude. God, I should have locked. I should have just moved the stop down. A quick, sharp move down like that. Ah, you dirty dog. NQ, man. What the heck here? What the heck, NQ? We just went from up 200 and... Oh my God, dude. That was so quick. Candles moving so fast here. These candles are moving so fast. So fast here. Dang it, man. Oh, man. I swear. It loses now. I'm going to be so mad at myself. Because I was going to move it. I had it up here, but I wanted to make it a 1-to-1. Because my goal for the day is $200 a day. So I might get eaten here trying to be greedy. But overall, these are my targets down here. So I'm pretty bearish on this here. So I hope it comes down right here. I hope it doesn't come up here and then turn around and come down or something. But that's right, trading star. You ain't lying, buddy. You ain't lying. It came down there for me. It was begging me to take the profits down here. It was begging me. It was begging me to take the profits. But I'm trying to stick with these 1-to-1s, man. So I guess I should have just took the $200 when I seen it. We had $200. Let me see. If it comes down to $200 on Quan Tower over here, I'm just going to take it. If it comes back down 200 on Quan Tower, I'm going to get the fundeds out of there. I'm not playing around with it this morning. Let me go turn the music on. Sorry, late morning start here. Let me go get the music for us. Let me go get this music on for us. Let me come over here. Let me get the music on here. All right, let me see if we can play it now. All right, it's on. The music is on. Let's go. Got the music on. Come on, dude. Dump this thing down. Don't go up anymore. I'm tired of this. I'm tired of this, man. Dump it down, man. This is 30-minute looking. This 30-minute make a bottom wick here already. Is it gonna pump up? Is this 30-minute gonna pump up into this fair value gap and wreck us here, man? Good spot to come back down. At least about halfway down this wick, man. Oh God, dude. Does look like a good little inversion to go up to the highs up here, doesn't it? Should have took that money. Let me see. It's Trading Star. It's cause I said this before on stream. I don't like to show the money because the money messes with my head on all those accounts, which I got 10 right now. I lost 10. I had 20, lost 10, so now I've got 10. But dude, when I had all those accounts on the screen, seeing all the P&Ls at the same time, it's just I don't know. You guys may can do it, but for me, I can't look at that much money moving around at one time. I'll start trailing as soon as, like, right here, I'll start trailing the stop because I get so scared to lose anything, you know. But if I'm looking at one account, if I'm looking at one thing, then I'll just let the trade play out, and then whatever it is at the end of the session, then I can live with it. But if I'm micromanaging the trade as it's going on, because I'm scared about 10 accounts profit here, because 60 times 10 here is $600, you know. I'm like, I can't do it, man. I tried that, Rob, but then I have to have Rhythmic open on the side because Quantower messes up the freaking copy trader sometimes. So I have to have Rhythmic open on the side no matter what. And yeah, it still shows it on Rhythmic. I see it all. I see all accounts moving up and down so fast, and then I'll just come in here and I'll just start trailing the stop up this close and won't let the trade work out. Which I guess it might have worked out on this trade because it was down up so much over here. But hopefully we keep coming down because that's just how my analysis is. But my analysis is that we go lower. Probably do go lower. I just hope I pick the right spot here to go lower. Boom, baby. Quantower's out of there. I had that 200. We're out of there. Let me move this up. I already got out. I got out. $730.25. I got out right here. 730.25. So that was the Quantower. Exit right there. Didn't even move the trading view one yet. Let's go, baby. That's an easy win this morning. Let's go. Let's see if this bad boy wants to keep on coming down here, baby. Coming on down. Woo! Woo! Woo, baby! We're number one. We're number one, baby. We're number one. Oh, yeah. Think gold's gonna keep on going up here. Big old range here on gold. Yeah. Dump this bad boy down. Oh, yeah. Look at it now. Look at this bad boy dumping down now. Oh, yeah. Dump that bad boy down. Oh, man. I didn't have the music on this one.
Why don't you get on board this Iron Express? It's ain't Coco, Coco, it's Cocadilla. Coco, Coco, it's Cocadilla Rasta. Rasta live, yeah. Coco, Coco now, Cocadilla.
Heck yeah, dude. Talk about a win streak here.
Coco, it's Cocadilla Rasta. Rockin' African rock you. In the night, in the day, we burn rock your soul. Positively moving up, oh, within your time. No matter what you say or do, Japan will rock you down. That's why we saying Coco, Coco, it's Cocadilla.
Let's see about this here.
Coco, Coco, it's Cocadilla Rasta. Coco, Coco now, Cocadilla. Coco, Coco, it's Cocadilla Rasta. Rockin' it, rockin' it, rockin' it, rockin' it, we gonna rock you. In the night, in the day, yeah. Body rock your soul. We positively moving up, oh, within your time.
I'm glad we got out of there on those fundeds. Let's go, man. Anybody else take a similar trade to this here? Anybody else take a similar trade here? Or what are you guys in a trade? What's going on? What are you guys in? Bounced out of this gap here. It's bouncing from this gap here on this kind of, because look, let me show you, we had this inversion right here. Kind of came back down to this inversion. So I might want to go for, nice, Rob. So it bounced right here in this inversion. That's what we're seeing here. It might go up for those highs now. Might not reach our target one. But the fundeds are out, so that's what matters. Came right down. Look at this. We got an inversion. So it came down, inversed it, went up to our gap up here. You know, I was in this one, but this was the main gap up here, this highest one. It bounced in that gap, came down, retapped this inversion, and now it's starting to come up here. So it may be reaching up for these highs up here. Maybe reaching for these highs here. You know. We'll see. We will see here. But it bounced in this inversion. What's up, Cash? Yeah. I mean, I see the longs for sure. I see the longs. But, you know, overall bias is down later, but we'll see if I'm just completely wrong. We got the funded target hit, so that's what matters. Let's go, baby. Let's get this, let me go ahead and take a screenshot of this, actually.
Your words up on the wall as you're praying for my phone, and the laughter in the halls and the names that I've been called. I stack it in my mind and I'm waiting for the time when I show you what it's like to be worse fit in a mind. Tell you you're the greatest, but once you turn, they hate us. Oh, the misery. Everybody wants to be my enemy. Spare the sympathy. Everybody wants to be my enemy.
This is kind of like a TP2 here.
My enemy.
Look, okay, I'm hoping that somebody pray for me. I'm praying that somebody hope for me. I'm staying when
Now, let me take a screenshot of this.
ready to go whenever you let me know. The road is long, so put the pedal into the flow. The energy on my trail, my energy unavailable. I'ma tell him my silhouette go. Hey, when I fly on my drive to the top, I've been out of shape, thinking out the box. I'm an astronaut. I blasted off the planet, rock that caused catastrophe, and it matters more because I had it. Now I had, I thought about wreaking havoc on an opposition, kinda shocking. They want a static with precision. I'm automatic, quarterback. I ain't talking second pack it up on panic, batter up. Who the baddest? It don't matter, cause we is your
Boom, baby. Let's go. Appreciate it, Eric. Yes, sir. Been on a roll here lately. Been on a roll on the trades lately. Now we got a win on the trades. Now we got to get a win on Wordle over here. Got to get a win on Wordle over here now. Let's see what it could be. See what Wordle could be over here. I'm gonna make a YouTube video today, man. If I get some time, I'm gonna make a YouTube video today. What kind of YouTube video you guys want me to make? Yeah, Scooby. So the funded targets, those are the, I got 10 funded accounts, so those are the targets for the funded accounts. And then these other targets down here is if like I was trading something with multiple, like these are just kind of like my overall targets for the trade idea. But glad we got out of there because it looks like it's gonna fail here. And I risk around, so that, yeah, that would have got stopped there, but we got the win, so that's what matters. How much do you risk per trade? You're new to futures? On a 50K funded account, I like to risk around 200 to 300. 200 to 300. Even lower if I can, but max around 200 to 300, and then the profit I go for around 200 to 300. Usually 200 is the profit, but 200 to 300 on the profit, and then 200 to 300 on the stop as well. Even lower if I can get it. So if I actually put the order here, the stop would have been. I actually would have moved the stop up here above the highs if I put the order here, but if you can get a lower stop than that. Glad those got out though. This IFEG is playing out beautifully here. If you took this IFEG, playing out beautifully so far. Seeing entry models, I might do that actually. I might make a video on my entry model lately. Past couple weeks that we've been winning. There's that target. We got equal highs right here. Didn't even see this. Equal highs right here also. Equal highs right there. Got those equal highs, could be a target for the longs. So equal highs up there. this high right here was taken. Let's go, man. Look at gold over here. Gold's kind of moving slowly around here in this little 5-minute range. See how it's looking on the 15-minute range here. Got a nice 15-minute range bounce right here. If you played the old retest of it, you got some nice profits there. See about the NASDAQ. How does it look on this 15-minute range here? Oh, it's starting to try to break out of there to the upside. Is it going to break out of there to the upside on this 15-minute range here? All right. Maybe I should take a screenshot of it failing here. You take a screenshot of this bad boy failing. Well, the fund it's got out of there, but the overall trade idea failed. So let me take a screenshot of this.
New York streets look to walk like Pistol Pete and Pappy Mason. Gave the young boys admiration. Prince from Queens and Fritz from Harlem. Street legends that kept the hood from starving. Pushing cars, Nicky Bars was the 70s, but there's a long list of high-profile celebrities worldwide on the thorough side of things. Live as kings, some died. One guy, one time, one day grasped me as I'm about to blast heat. 40 side of burning.
Alrighty.
Well, he asked me, "What you up to? The cops gonna bust you." I was a teen drunk or brute.
So let me delete all this here. Get ready to see if we can find one more.
I took it upstairs, the bathroom mirror. Brushed my hair, staring at a young disciple. I almost gave my life to what the dice do. Yeah, man, throwing them bones. Hoping my ace get his kids
Nice,
wrong.
quick and easy
This girl
trade
ain't wait
here.
for 'em. She in the world straight now. Why he looking at centerfolds? A pretty girl showing a little cooch. Gangsters don't die, he's living proof. The DA who tried him was lying. The white dude killed his mother during the case. Hung jury, now the DA is being replaced. Pre-trial hearing is over, it's real for the soldier. Walks in the courtroom, the look in his eyes is wild. Triple homicide, I sit in the back aisle. I wanna crack a smile when I see him. Throw up a fist for black power, cause all we want is his freedom. He grab a court officer's nose and started squeezing. Then he grabbed the judge, screams out, nobody leaving, everybody.
See, you could reach up for these equal highs up here. Let's see where it could go to, man. Let's find a good area. Let's find a good area. It's gonna come all the way up here. Question. How I determine direction bias? I can do that. Quite simple though, man. It's quite simple. You know, just over. You know, you look at the charts here. Kind of look at the charts. Really close to this previous day low down here. Really close to that previous day low. Big move down. We got some breathing here. We got some breathing. Starting to roll over. So then I figured it would just roll over and just kind of come take out this previous day low down here. And just looking at the charts here. Just looking at the charts here. We got this big move down on the hourly here. Came down, started to bounce up at the open last night. Bouncing up. Started to roll over from this gap. Starting to roll over. And then, yeah, after this candle here, you would think, well, we just might roll over down in this previous day low here. But it bounced in this gap here, which is okay. Bouncing that gap, maybe coming up, reaching up a little bit higher, maybe up into this gap or something. But overall, any of these gaps in here, you're going to get a little bit of bounce down. So you might as well just try to play your bounce down and hope it goes down. Equal highs 801.50. Let's see here. $801.50. Let's just put a little marky mark there then. Let's just see if it wants to reach up that high.
y'all folk. But
We
all
put a
know
mark there.
somebody gotta make a change.
All right, so all of these got denied here. Let's delete all those there. I have just crapped the bed on this Wordle over here. I ain't even been looking at it. Take it off right now until I get ready.
They need me to go, but I don't want to leave. Rest in peace, little kid. Fuck a pigeonhole. I'm a night owl. It's a different mode. I'ma have to
Yeah, it looks like we're going up for now here. Oh, buddy, look at gold out of nowhere. Just start pumping up here. Gold comes out of nowhere. Out of nowhere and just starts pumping up here to the moon. Look at gold pumping up. Gold just has these crazy moves, man. It'll just be bang, 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 and then out of nowhere, pow, pow.
Bitch, don't tell me that you model if you ain't been in vogue. Gotta throw a party for my day ones.
Let's get this Wordle, man. Let's play this Wordle.
Rest in peace to Drama King. We was straight stunned. You don't like the
My
way
girlfriend got it in.
niggas say something.
She got the Wordle today. What'd she get it in? I think she cheated.
Pull up and you know it's us. The
She got it in 4. She'd been
like the way I told her say something. In my face, nigga. Gotta throw a party for my day ones. They ain't in the studio, but they'll lay some. Rest in peace to Drama King. We was straight stunned.
Anybody in any positions? Anybody in any positions right now? If you're in a long, if you were in a long here on this IFBG, you're looking good, buddy. Bounce off the midnight open and drop. Oh, dude, that's what I knew I was forgetting something today. Forgot to mark out the midnight open here, man. I knew I was forgetting something. Thank you, dude. I think the time is wrong on this though. What's your midnight open at? Is it right here? 21776. 21776. I remember the time used to be like an hour off on my trading view. I wonder if it still is. I knew I was forgetting something this morning. I forgot to mark out that midnight open there. Let me mark it out on gold here too. Mark it out on gold here too.
Gotta throw a party for my day ones. They ain't in the studio, but they'll lay some. Rest in peace to Drama King. We was straight stunned. You don't like the way I talk, nigga. Say some, say some, say some, say some, say some.
There, man. Gold came down below that midnight open and reversed, going up to those highs. Gold is. Let's see about here. Let's go, MDE. Big time trades. Big time traders making big time trades. $730.25. Okay, got this marked out here. What's going on here? Just took out that midnight open up there. Just went after that midnight open. It's going to reverse from here, the midnight open. Let's see. Let's see if it does. Let's see if it does.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. 21. Had me crushing, I was cuffing like the precinct. How you go from house white to a sneaky link? Got you round in all type of Benzes and Rolls. Girl, you used to ride in the rinky dink. I'm the one put you in that Leontay. Fashion over model, I put you on the runway. You was rocking Coach bags, got you Sinead. Side to Frisco,
It's gonna reverse from here, or what?
Still feel alone. If you plan me, that mean my home ain't home. Having nightmares are going through your phone. 21. Can't even record, you got me out my zone.
If you're playing me, keep it on the low. Cause my heart can't take it anymore. And if you're creeping, please don't let it show. Oh, baby, I don't wanna know. If you're playing me, keep it on the low. Cause my heart can't.
What's up, Lost in Time? You passed 2 Apex evals? Let's go, man. Jim, what indicator? This one? That's the sessions indicator. This green one here, it just marks out the high and low of the first 15-minute candle of the London session. You can put it to whatever session you want it. You can have four different sessions here. I got the New York 15-minute, New York 1 hour, London 15-minute, and London 1 hour. That's let's see here. We got the 4 o'clock candle here. Gonna get this 4 o'clock reversal here, man. We're gonna get this 4 o'clock reversal, or is it gonna pump all the way up to these highs up here? Starting out with the bottom wick here. Could it go higher? We did reach into this little gap here. Could it bounce from this gap here? It might be a good. It might have been a good play. Short here out of this little gap here, right by the midnight open there. Don't know though. I think it goes higher. I think it wants to come up here. We'll see. I'm not exactly sure on which way it's gonna go here, so I'm just gonna stay out for now and watch. We already got these funded accounts win. And let's play the Wordle while you're sitting here watching. What's gold doing? Gold gonna go after that high over there. Man, this is a good song. Oops. Things pumping. Things pumping. Thing is pumping up there, boys. That thing is pumping at the moment. Looks like we're coming up here. Look at this 15-minute for a minute. Let's look at this 15-minute for a second here. Yeah, man. Might be going higher. Looks like we're going higher here, boys. We're going higher. gold might have a good, nice long in here and here. Stay out of it though. One of these gaps here, gold might have a nice long. See. What's up, Flav? What's up? I might be switching it up here. At first, I was short biased on the session, but now for the session, I might be going long biased. Y'all request some songs, man. I don't have any in the playlist. I'm gonna have to go put on. I'm gonna have to request them, I guess.
It's 2 o'clock and I'm faded. This kush feeling amazing. Got a voicemail on my phone from a little breezy feeling X-rated. She told a nigga she hurting. I'm in the car and I'm swerving. I walked into her bedroom. I put it down, that's certain. Man, I stay on that to rock. Man, I stay taking shots. Man, your girl be on my job. Maybe cause I'm everything you're not. See, I ain't no bitch nigga, no rich nigga, no snitch nigga. I'm a real nigga, that's real nigga. I'm just trying to chill cause I'm way too drunk to be talking like this. I'm way too high to be tripping like this. Way too young to be living like this.
See about this old 15-minute here or some targets to 15 minutes. And yeah, we got a lot of clean range over here to the left for it to come up. If it starts breaking up above, if it starts breaking up, closing above these highs up here, man, we could go. Could really go up here. Could really go.
Rolling through my hood, rolling up some good. Shorty lips be rolling on the wood. Damn, she wrote it good. Rolling over, I ain't sleeping over. Now she
We could really go here. It starts breaking up.
cause she looks so surprised. Girl, you been around the block, and I've been on that to rock. Got your man circling your block. Maybe cause I'm everything you're not. See, I ain't no bitch nigga, no rich nigga, no snitch.
Man, dude.
Real nigga, that's real nigga.
We called our little piece and got out of there. We see it goes to show you can be on the completely wrong side of the trade and still make money. And you can be on the completely wrong side of the trade and still make money if you pick your entry spots. Sniper entry. I mean, we were off by one fair value gap, but we still hit that target. But it shows you can be on the completely wrong side of the trade and still make money in these markets, which is amazing, man. It's amazing. All right, let's see what happens here. See what happens.
What you know about love? What love know about you? When I try something new, you refuse to believe that my love is true. So I use all I got to prove to you, but the proof ain't enough, so you move on to the next dude. Like what he gon' do? I don't understand these girls. I don't understand these girls. Looking for a real nigga, in like all the wrong places and all the wrong ways. They don't care, they don't change, cause she gon' do what she want and that is okay. And he gon' do what he want and that is okay. I say I love it. You know, nothing.
Look at there. Say we start to keep pumping here. Unless it reverses here, but things pumping. No stopping the NQ going up here. Thing is pumping. Congratulations to everybody that caught those longs right there, buddy. Woo, you got paid. You got paid. If you stayed in there, you got paid. You got paid. You got paid. Now the question is, where do we go from here? Broke those highs up there. We're going to get a reversal here. We're going to keep on going up. Let's see here. Just broke those highs. 1 hour here.
It was a good day. You gonna make it better?
Come up here, we get a nice little inversion right here. Maybe take this bad boy down a little bit.
I want to get engaged.
Okay. You serious? What you gonna buy me? A ring pop? You got me in this janky spot. Trying to go home.
I got a little surprise for you.
Yeah.
And everything you need is in that bag. Just have fun, and I'll see you later.
What the hell is this? What you mean you see me later?
Wonder if this thing keeps on pumping up here. Is this gonna be a short here? We got an inversion, just gotta retap at that gap. Is it gonna come down now? Let's see. Let's see.
Why you gotta act so naughty? Oh, nana. I'm about to spend all this cash. Oh, nana. If you keep shaking that. Oh, nana. Put your hands
Just took out those Asian highs too. Took out the Asian highs up there. Man, this was the model here. We actually missed the model, man. Took out the Asian lows down here. Had a beautiful inversion. Take it back up to the midnight open. That's the main model I trade, guys. And I just was not awake this morning. Luckily we called a little short, but just wasn't awake for the model here that I trade. Model I trade is for to take out the Asian high or low, and then it usually trades back up to the midnight open, or down, up or down to the midnight open, and it did exactly that this morning. Took out this Asian low right here, had an inversion right here, even gave us a retest of the inversion, pumped right up to that midnight open for a beautiful trade there. That's the model I trade, man. So for those who wanted the video, there it is. But I'll make another video. I'll make a video of it, and then I'll make a daily bias video as well. But is this inversion gonna play out here? Is it gonna dump? Is it gonna dump from here, or is it gonna keep on pumping? Say it dumps down a little bit, maybe down into here. Could dump down into here a little bit. How many ticks is that? How many points? How many ticks? About 16 points. Doesn't have to. We'll see if it does or not. Did make that inversion though there. See a little retracement back down into here, maybe. Let's see. Let's play this Wordle though, man. I've been slacking on the Wordle.
You real funny. That's how you feel? Come here.
See if that plays out there. See if that short plays out there down into here.
Come here.
I'm not in it, but
Now.
I ain't with it.
I'm not in this trade, but what do you guys think? It looks pretty nice, doesn't it? Broke those Asian highs up there. Retracement back down into here at least. Maybe. Let's see here.
Put your hands in the air if you're loving tonight. Keep your hands in the air if you're spending the night.
Man, look at this beat. Maybe A and D. Mark the Shark thinks one more pop up. Flav says thinks down to 780. That's what I was thinking. Maybe just a little retracement back down here into 780 before one more pop up, Mark. What do you think about that? Just a retracement back down here into this gap before maybe popping back up if it wants to go back up one more time. We'll see. Let's see. How many points would that be? How many ticks so far? I'm not in this, guys. I'm just seeing. Just seeing the risk reward here. If you had your stop at 10 points there, did you get 10 points? Almost got 10 points there. 10 points would be right there. You're going for a 1-to-1. Wouldn't have got it. Depending on where you entered in there, you might have got 10 points. Let's see, man. I can't think of a word for the wordle here. Okay, I think I got one. Oh! Okay, boys. Woo! Wordle master here, boys. I'm the Wordle master. I'm the Wordle master. Gosh, I'm so good. Man, I'm the Wordle master. I'm the Wordle master here. Coming down here on the let's see if our little trade call out idea would have been playing out here. You got 10 points right there if you entered at the bottom of this IFEG. You got 10 points so far. Well, let's see. You've gotten 10 points so far. You've gotten 10 points. Let's see if it comes down here now. Just to kind of tap into there. Let's see. Can I put... Not in there. So if you got in this little short scalp, you got 10 points. So you got that 10 points. It went down 11 points. Went down 11 points. Didn't hit this gap yet though. We put a text here.
Warning. The stunts in this movie. Hey, shut the f up!
Wait a minute, get it how you live it. 10 toes in when we standing on business. I'm a big step.
Oh yeah, baby, we got that Wordle. That's all that matters. Woo! 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 We got that win this morning, baby. Oh yeah. Could have got another 10 points right here also, but thing ain't gonna go down to that fair value gap, is it? It ain't gonna go down to the fair value gap down there. Did get 10 points from it though. See if it gets, let's see if it would get stopped out here before going down to that gap. Probably so. We got 10 points though.
The skin color like the bourbon, worldwide sign, and we face close curtains. I hear you, nothing ever certain. Only thing that's promised is that promises are broken. Yeah, so we finding ways to cope that. Only thing I'm breaking is her back with emotions. Woo! Yeah, baby girl bring out the goodies, stuck it in inside the hoodie. Now we turning out your buggy. Yeah, it's cool, I used to fight the bullies. Now I'm fighting with the law. I guess some things don't leave you fully. They try and push me, then they try and pull me back out when I budge. If you doubt it, then just call my bookie. And my bookie taking bets. Profits as a profit when you know what's coming next. Like, ooh.
Yeah, baby, go bring out the goodies, stuck it in inside the hoodie. Now we turning out your buggy. Yeah, it's cool, I used to fight the bullies. Now I'm fighting with the law. I guess some things don't leave you fully.
All right, guys, look at this. Look at this on gold here. What we say, come down, bouncing one of these gaps down here, starting to bounce from that gap. Is it gonna go up to that high now or what? Called it out, said it might bounce in one of these gaps and go up for the highs. That's what's happening here on gold, bouncing in this gap. Bouncing in this gap. Is it gonna go after those highs up there now? Let's see. Let's see.
Money on my mind, we gonna run it up.
All right. See if the NASDAQ wants to come down here. Got close to that stop up there. Not in this trade, not taking it, not in. Just kind of an idea here. You got 10 points on it already. If you took it, got those 10 points. Take your 10 points and get out, buddy. You see a penny on the ground, you take it. You don't see a penny on the ground and say, man, I wish that's 100. I'm not going to take it. You just take it. See that penny on the ground, you take it, buddy. You don't see a penny on the ground and say, I'm going to wait for that to turn into a $100 bill. You just say, there's a penny. I'm going to take it. Kind of what I do in these trades here. I see 10 points, I'm taking it. I can have ideas where I think it's going beyond that, but I see my 10 points, I'm usually going to take it. Unless it's just clear as water. Alright, let me see if I can pull up something else over here on it. Things pumping up there. How high? How high? It's coming up. It's coming all the way up here, man. We just pumping here. Things pumping. See if gold goes up there to those highs like we were talking about. Let's watch gold for a minute here. Let's watch gold here for a minute. The Asian low there, got the Asian high. Gold did the same thing. Went up here, took out the Asian highs, came back down to the midnight open. Nothing really to do here, man. I'm looking at something over here, though.
And I'm like, what the hell they talk about? And if I got it, I buy it, cause boy, you know I'm cashing out. 26 so round with that Nina. Ride with a hoe named Keisha, smoking on Keisha. My diamonds out for me, they say, I cannot meet you. G5, I'm hot in the sky, ho, I can't see you. Got a condo on my wrist, girl, I'm cashing out. Got a condo around my neck, girl, I'm cashing out. 36 so round with that Nina. My diamonds out for me, they say, I cannot meet you. Okay, I drop the top, hop in. Bulls, they coming by flocking. Birds, they coming by flocking. Pass them birds like Stockton. Play with my money, I'm popping. No acting, but it's moving. Got spins on the beat, so we ain't losing. Don't act like your hoe ain't choose. I done blowed up, yeah, I'm the bomb. Round blowing on stank bombs. Put so good, you stank moms. Top flow, sweet chillin' at the palms. We want a whole loaf, leave out the crumbs. Till then, I'm running my check up. And this fucker Bugatti, I'm calling my jet code. 36 so round with that Nina. Ride with a hoe named Keisha, smoking on Keisha. My diamonds out for me, they say, I cannot meet you. G5, I'm hot in the sky, ho, I can't see you. Got a condo on my wrist, girl, I'm cashing out. Got a condo around my neck, girl, I'm cashing out. 36 so round with that Nina. My diamonds out for me, they say, I cannot meet you. Just big pimpin' over here. Church, time to cop the Maybach, already had the vert. I got big money visions. Sam is so
This is crazy here, guys. This is crazy. Out of all the verses in the Bible, can you guess what the daily verse was for today? It was the same. It's the same exact verse that we went over in church yesterday. That is crazy. Out of all the verses in the Bible, the one for the daily verse on my Bible app was the one we went over in church yesterday. Is that just a coincidence? I don't know. I don't think so.
need to. I ride around with that needle. You know we smoking on Keisha. Hey, can I be
Send this thing in the Discord here. Look at this. Come over here to it. Look at this, right here. Galatians 5:14. What's up, MB? That's what we went over in church yesterday, man. Love your neighbor as yourself. Love your neighbor as yourself. Man, that's a good verse. If everybody did this, man, the world would be a great place. And sometimes it's hard, man. I'm not gonna lie. Sometimes you got people that are just, they just have hate in their heart, dude. But you just gotta pour them with love, man. How do you love yourself? Trust me, Dan. Everybody loves their self. Who's the first person in the world you take care of? Yourself. You're gonna make sure yourself is accounted for. Be a fountain. Don't be a drain. Don't just take from others and to make yourself better. Be a fountain. Pour out into others. Don't be a drain and just take everything from others to build yourself up. Be a fountain. Build others up. Yeah, man. I think I'm about to get out of here though. I got my 40 ticks this morning. Gonna get out of here, get some work done. I'm gonna try to make a YouTube video today. And I got some other work to do, jewelry wise and stuff. Got some jewelry work to do. I'm gonna try to make a YouTube video. But yeah, let me know how you guys do in the Discord. I don't know. I think if I just take a trade from here, I'll be forcing it. I feel like this up move was the move. We caught a little downward scalp there, but I don't know. I feel like I don't want to trade anymore, be forcing stuff. But so I'm about to just get out of here, get some work done. Join the Discord. If you pick up any funded accounts, use code SLADE. I'll appreciate it. And yeah, man, I'm about to get out of here. So I hope you guys have a good day. Thanks everybody for hanging out, having a good time with us. Thanks everyone for hanging out, having a good time. And with that, guys, I'm about to get out of here. I'll see ya. Peace.
Trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Shots go up, shots go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q, go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden games reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Gangster making gold, every trade, every hold. Money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes. Trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q. Go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold. Every grade, every hold. Money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green. Biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Go trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Market open, bells ring loud. Go gangster draws a crowd. Live stream booms, money rolls. Aiming for those trading goals. Oh God, 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 oh God. Candlestick, red and green. Biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden gains reach its sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Market open.